so excited to show you this burger. Forget about those regular cheeseburgers, baconators, or double doubles of any kind. This is a jalapeno popper burger. Let's get started. Okay, to make these burgers, the first thing I'm gonna start off with is the filling, full of cheese and the jalapeno peppers. I just cleaned the seeds out of these. Now I'll mince them up into small pieces. Okay, now I've minced all of the jalapeno peppers, 2 large jalapeno peppers. I'm gonna take a block of cream cheese, shredded mozzarella, and cheddar, and then dump all of these jalapenos in, and then mix it all together. Okay, I've got the filling done. Now I'm gonna make 8 patties for 4 burgers. They're gonna be almost a quarter pound each. Okay, so now I've got them separated into about quarter pound patties. I'm gonna flatten them thin. So I want them nice and thin. It'll almost be like 2 smash burgers on top of each other. The only difference is they're gonna be stuffed with this goodness right here. And then I'm going to pinch together the outside so I've got my patty right there. And that's gonna be 1 burger. And when that's done, that will be packed with flavor. I'm gonna throw them in the refrigerator just for a little bit so that when they go on the grill, they'll stay together better. And I'll do that while I'm firing up the grill. Perfect to go with our jalapeno popper burgers. Some grilled corn. We'll be doing this on top of the grill while we're cooking the burgers on the plancha. This is always needed in the summertime. Let's throw the bacon on. Gonna spread it out here so that it covers everywhere I'm gonna cook. Gonna throw some onions on as well. Give them a little shot of salt and pepper. While we get those going, we're gonna mix the rub we're gonna put on the outside of the burgers as well as on the corn. A little bit of chili powder, coarse pepper, and kosher salt. Gonna mix that up nice. Gonna sprinkle that on both sides of our burgers. Before we throw the burgers on, I'm gonna throw the corn up top. Gonna give them the same rub I just gave the burgers. I'll sprinkle that on both sides as we go. I love grilled corn. Now we're gonna place the burgers on. Even though they look like really fat burgers, it's almost like 2 smash burgers put together. So it's not gonna be as long as you would cook a burger that's actually this thick, but the middle's just the cheese, remember. So we'll put them on probably about 5 to 6 minutes each side on a plancha that's this hot. Beautiful. Now time to give the burgers a flip. A perfect sear on the burgers. Gonna flip the bacon back in here. Get some nice and crisp. Look at the onions getting a nice char. Gonna set the burgers, buns right here on the outside. These burgers are ready to come off. Flip the buns to get the tops and bottoms a little char as well. Pull the bacon and the onions over here. Those buns are perfect right there. We're gonna take these burgers. Look at that. Now we're gonna take the grilled onions, lay them on top. Now time for the bacon. Look at those burgers. Look at that. The grilled onions, the bacon, the smells of these. I can't wait to cut into this. Oh my goodness. Look at the cheese in there, the jalapenos. Unbelievable. Now for a bite. Oh my goodness. The cheese smashed together with that spice of the jalapeno. Great flavor. I need another bite. Such a fun cook. Burger is so over the top. You don't want to stop eating it. In fact, I need to make sure I get these away from me so somebody else gets to try them. So good, just rich with that, the heat from the pepper, just enough to cut through all that cheese. Again, having some grilled corn on the side. Grilled corn always makes everything better. You've got to try this. Don't forget to join us for some more fun grilling and smoking food. Don't forget to also subscribe, comment, and like below, and let us know what you want to see us cook next. Have a great day, everybody.